What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. Essentially what we're going to do is straight pipe my Ram. Now this already has a resonator delete, so if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check it out. I'll put a link right here for it, but let's go ahead and start it. So that's just a resonator delete with the muffler still on there. We're going to cut the muffler off and see what it sounds like. Don't forget about our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Here is a brand new, never used, in the box, double-din car stereo with GPS, subwoofer outputs, and even a rear backup camera. Comes with everything, free of charge to you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, take a screenshot of it or a picture if you're using your TV, and send it over to _Gotti's Garage on Instagram. And then at 5,000 subscribers, one of you lucky ones will be chosen at random, and then you get to enjoy a brand new double-din car radio from Gotti's Garage. So enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, just leaving work now, and we're going to go ahead and start it. It's probably going to be kind of cold, so it's going to be a little bit louder than normal, which I guess is a good example, but hopefully you guys can hear everything. Alright, so I got the window cracked so you guys can hear the exhaust. And we're going to kind of floor it right here so you guys can hear it. And when you're just driving and cruising normally, there is drone, which is to be expected, straight piped. But it's pretty quiet actually. When it goes into 4-cylinder mode, people are trying to tell me that it sounds like shit, but I didn't really notice that. It's just really quiet. So, but just driving, you kind of hear the drone and everything, but. So MDS is on right now. Not anymore, but I don't know. I like it. I think it sounds pretty good. Just probably get gas. Alright guys, you saw the before, you saw me welding it in, you saw the cold start, the warm start, and then cruising it around cold. The warm is just a little bit quieter. So let me know what you guys think below in the comments if you guys like it or not. And I think I'm gonna keep on to this setup for a little bit, see how much I like it. If the drone gets too annoying or anything, then I'm probably gonna go with the Flowmaster, and you guys will see a video on that as well. So type down in the comments below what you guys think, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and you guys stay different.